In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change your App Store country or region. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you've moved or you just need to access apps that aren't available in your current country, you can actually switch regions inside of the App Store settings. So open up your App Store and up in the top right, go ahead and tap on your profile picture and then tap on your name up at the very top to open up your account settings. Now you may be prompted to enter in your password. If this pops up, go ahead and enter that in. But after doing so, scroll down and tap on your country or region and select the new country that you want to switch to. For example, I'm in the United States, so I could switch to the UK. You will see a terms and conditions screen. Go ahead and do that. And then tap continue and agree. And on the next page, you're going to have to choose a payment method. You can select a card or select none if you don't want to add a payment yet. But the most important step is you do have to enter in a valid billing address for that new country or region. Type in that address info and then tap down in the top right, and once that saves, your App Store region is now going to be updated and it's going to show apps, games, and prices for that new country. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.